It's like 3 a.m. and we're about to head out to Amarillo, Texas. And I've been having these shoes for a minute, never worn. And I've been saying for a really long time, when I go get my new truck, this is what I'm gonna wear. Because the truck that I'm gonna buy has to be white. So I'm finally gonna go wear these to go pick up this truck. Let's head out. Alright, we're gonna fill up the tank once before leaving, so we don't gotta stop again. So I'm here in the Yeehaw state, you guys. I just picked up my new truck. Gotta show it to you guys. Let me start from the front. It's a 6-hour drive to Amarillo. Let's check it out. It's a platinum, just like my dad's dually. I got it the same color, pearl white. I don't know if you can see. But my dad's interior is black. It has this little like weird cop light. Look at the interior. Back seats, it's like a brownish reddish color. It's got storage under here. The big moonroof. Comes with the little toolbox, and the toolbox has an extra tank for fuel. I'm gonna have my dad drive it right now, so I can get some rolling shots of it. I'll drive this for now. You guys keep asking why I don't put on the back billets. That's why. I've been saving for a really long time to try to buy that truck. But now, hopefully, in a couple weeks, we'll get the back billets on. But at least now we have something to tow the blue one with, since it likes to break down all the time. Like right now, it's broken up the crib. Alright, I'm finally back home, and this is definitely father and son goals. So I gave it a little wash, kind of. I suck at washing, but ahí están igualitas. Y ahí está el otro yonke, never working. Same color, same trim. Except mine came with a little toolbox. Y me falta la bola esa. But let me know what you guys think about the new truck. I know all y'all hate Ford, but let me know what I should do to it, and just please don't say Forces, because I can't afford them. I got like $2 in my bank account, so these are gonna do for now. They got new tires, y no pregunten si quema. Okay, you're gonna make me burn out. Comment down below what I should do to it, little things, lights, or what should I paint, little things like that. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys in the next one.